Hi YouTube, so it's my new video. So I've got Geo5 device for you guys. I'll unbox it, review it, and there is a special giveaway for you at the end of the video. So so let's start the unboxing right now. So here's the box, as you can see. So Geo5, your personal hotspot, and Geo Digital Life with love from Geo. Create. So I'm gonna read it. Create your own hotspot up to 32 GB and 31 devices you can connect with it, and many other features such as you can it's 2300 mAh battery, which is huge capacity for such a small device. So let's start the unboxing. So I'll show the contents. So I've kept the contents over here. It's the router itself, so it's very handy. As you can see, it's very handy, and has the box and has the adapter charger for this. It's not a fast adapter, it's a normal adapter, and it's a USB cable. It's 1 meter long, and we have some paperwork over here, and this is one of that important. It's warranty. You should take your dealer stamps here, and these are some other paperworks. This is a quick start guide and how to connect to your 3G phone or any smartphone is here. So these are the contents over here. So I'll start up. I've inserted the battery already and a SIM, which is very important. You should take a SIM which costs 100 rupees. So I'll turn on it. Yeah, you can see it's switched on. So it's an indicator, it's a connectivity indicator, and it's a Wi-Fi. So it's the charge, and here's the turn on, turn off button. See, switch off it. So it's the red indicator. So I want to tell you that if my video reaches above 1000 views, so the giveaway is here. I'll show you. So the giveaway is Dogman, brilliant comic. It's for everyone. Everyone can read this. Read by two kids in a small age. Dogman by Dave Pickle. He's a creator of Captain Underpants. It's the famous comic as well. So I end up my video. So wait till the next video. Be cool, be calm, and bye. Subscribe and like to get this giveaway, and please visit the description to get more knowledge about the video. Bye.